Good morning, everyone. I am Laika May Cartel from BEd 4B. And the first one is the stem cell gene therapy. So, what is stem cell gene therapy? First, let us first define what is stem cell therapy. It is the use of stem cells to treat or prevent a disease or a condition. And now, what are stem cells? Stem cells are a special class of cells characterized by their ability to self-renew, multiply to generate same kind of cells. Most cells of the body, such as heart cells or skin cells, are committed to conduct a specific function. A stem cell is uncommitted and remains uncommitted until it receives a signal to develop into a specialized cells. Let me first discuss what is genes. Genes, the functional unit of heredity, are specific sequences, bases that encode interaction to make proteins. And now, what is genes therapy? Genes therapy is the insertion, alteration, or removal of genes within an individual cells and biological tissues to treat diseases. Gene therapy is a technique for correcting defective genes. Responsible for this is development. There are two types of stem cells. The first is the embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, as their name suggests, they are derived from embryos or blastocysts that develop from eggs that have been fertilized in vitro in an vitro fertilization clinic and then donated for research purposes with informed consent of donors. And the second types of stem cells is the adult stem cells. So what is adult stem cells? Adult or somatic stem cells exist throughout the body after embryonic development and are found inside of different types of tissues. These stem cells have been found in tissues such as the brain, bone marrow, blood vessels, skeletal muscles, skin, and the liver. They remain in a quiescent or non-dividing state for years until activated by disease or tissue injury. There are there are also two types of adult cells. It is the hematopoietic and bone marrow stromal cells. There are also the application of stem cells gene therapy. It consists the hemophilia treatment, repairing mutations, heart disease treatment, sickle cell disease treatment, and skin disease treatment. There are also the advantages and disadvantages of stem cell gene therapy. The advantages is it discovers treatments and cures to diseases like cancer, spinal cord injuries, diabetes, and many more. It also provides medical benefits in the fields of therapeutic, cleaning, and had a healthy life. And there is the also the disadvantages. The disadvantages is the additional biological complexity both into system by living cells, and also sometimes it leads to mortality of individual, also modified activity of neighboring genes or positive or negatively. And now for the second, the bioethics of gene therapy. So what is bioethic gene therapy? There are ethical issues involved in gene therapy. Some of the inquiries cited are from Genetic Home Reference 2017. The number one ethical issue surrounding gene therapy is the how can good or bad uses of these technologies be distinguished? Second, who decides which traits are normal and which constitute a disability or disorder? The third is, will the high cost of gene therapy make it available only to the wealthy? Fourth, could the widespread use of gene therapy make society less accepting of people who are different? And lastly, should people be allowed to use gene therapy to enhance basic human traits such as height, intelligence, or athletic ability? So, from the ethical issues that are cited in our PPT, for me, it distinguished between good and bad uses of technology often involves ethical consideration with society often settings norms through collective agreement and regulation. traits considered normal or constituting a disability are often determined by medical and social consensus. The high cost of gene therapy could indeed limit access to the wealthy, highlighting the need for equitable distribution. Widespread use might potentially exist societal basis against those perceived as different, necessitating ongoing discussion on inclusivity and acceptance. Regarding enhancing basic traits, debates center on issues of fairness, equality, and potential unforeseen consequences, underscoring the importance of thoughtful ethical frameworks and regulation to guide. That's all for my part. Thank you for listening.